an ultrasonic cleaner. Alright guys, I got an awesome deal at Walmart. I love Amazon, but let me tell you, I couldn't find something this big for the price. Hello guys and gals. We have ourselves a 15-liter ultrasonic cleaner. I got this one at Walmart. It was 65 bucks and 20 cents. For the size that I've been looking, I do love Amazon, but unfortunately I couldn't find anything this cheap. And so this is a 15-liter, and this is what's in it. We got ourselves a cover, a little drainer, strainers. Put your nuts, bolt, little tiny things in there. Nothing really big. You could always get yourself a bigger one. Manual. Got ourselves, looks like the drain hose to a connector here, which is actually, finally found one that actually has a working hose. This is to drain your fluid if you need to. We have ourselves a power plug and the basket. So yeah, really cool. Can't wait to use it. It is actually pretty big. I'm in here. It's 15 liters, and I can't wait to get this thing working. Now we got a bunch of bolts and stuff that I want to throw in there. What I'm gonna do is actually fill it with water and then use either Ziploc bags or plastic like peanut butter containers. Clean them up and then put whatever solution you want in each one individually, vinegar or toilet bowl cleaner, or the calcium liquids, and anything like that might work for you. You just have to test a few out and see what works. But other than that, yeah, I can't wait to get this thing working. And if I get a chance, maybe I'll do another video on what chemicals work best for what, and then go from there. So yeah, what else we got here? We got ourselves the drain, like I showed you. Right here we have a on-off switch, which is really nice. You can definitely know it's off. Let's plug it in. I know that these things mess up the frequency on the microphone on the camera, so I won't be turning that on, but just to see what we got here. So if my power cord is going to reach. You guys can see that or not. Let me see if I can move the camera a little closer. Timer. Yep, and there it is. That's the on-off button. Here you can go 20 minutes minus. Hold it down, it goes way faster, which is pretty cool. And over here you can set the temperature. Pretty cool. Alright. Like I said, this was just a quick. Oh, I also forgot to say there is a little roll of Teflon tape for the tube. So that's cool. Alright. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Put these back in there for now. I'll plug it in over there later and see what we have. But other than that, yeah, pretty cool. I mean, you can't go wrong. 65 bucks. It will clean tons of parts. Huge bolts. Right. All these huge bolts that I have here, I'll probably put those in a container, and I'll try a few with vinegar, a few with toilet bowl cleaner, and then I think I also have some of that calcium stuff. I forget what they call that. I didn't throw it out. Well, I don't want to make this video sucky, so. Oh, right here. I heard this stuff works really good too. So, seeing how I have some at hand, I can try this. I can try vinegar and toilet bowl cleaner, and give those a shot to see which one, because it says it removes rust, lime, and calcium. So from what I've seen on a couple of guys' videos out there, this vinegar is really good. Sweet. So, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.